You see this bumbleclot here? That is when white people go unchecked. I need to come up with something that's going to blow the fashion world away. Him friends are just too busy kissing his ass and drinking champagne to tell him that was a bad idea. Can't blame the models. The models were just there for a paycheck. They were running down that aisle. Let's get this shit over with. Model them make for fitting a dress, not lift up people. I want if one of them fat. You know, drop him right on the stage, but say, nah, sir, you're too nasty. Come on for this bumbleclot. And why didn't smugglers coming from Mexico think of this thing before? Excuse me, sir, can I see your immigration papers? It appears you have a Mexican on your waist. What Mexican? This is a new belt. It's an article of clothing, is it not? Sir, welcome to America. Please enjoy your stay. I mean, honestly though, you really have to be filthy rich to afford a coat like this. Darling, should I wear the Indian man today?
You wore the coolie last week.
Well, what about the black man? Can I wear him today?
How about the Chinaman?
Oh, you're quite right. It is a long day. The Asian man will work the best today.